Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set your GoPro Hero 9 plug beep volume to low, medium, or high. Now first, let's go back to the main screen. And then on your main screen, swipe down. And then swipe across. So swipe down and then swipe across. Then we're going to tap on Preferences. In Preferences, tap on General, then tap on Beep Volume. By default, it is set to medium. You could choose low. So we need to swipe up or down. So that's high, low, medium, and high. And that's it. And then now we can swipe back, and then tap on the back key, then tap on back again, and swipe up to go back to your camera view. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.